Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Discover cardholder, you've probably been earning that sweet cash back on your everyday purchases, and now it's time to put that money to work. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to redeem your Discover cashback rewards, so you can enjoy your earnings hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, why redeem your rewards? It's like getting a bonus on your spending, whether you use it for bills, a shopping spree, or even a vacation fund. The process is straightforward, but I'll break it down step by step to make sure you don't miss a beat. Step 1. Start by logging into your Discover account. Head over to the Discover website or open their app, and enter your username and password. If you haven't set up online access yet, it's quick and easy, just follow the prompts to get started. Step 2. Once you're in, navigate to the Rewards, or Cashback, section. It's usually front and center on your dashboard, so look for a tab or icon that says something like My Rewards. Step 3. Here, you'll see your total cashback balance. Take a moment to review it. Discover clearly displays how much you've accumulated and any available options. Step 4. Now, choose how you want to redeem your rewards. Discover gives you flexibility. You can apply it as a statement credit to reduce your next bill, transfer it directly to your bank account, get gift cards from popular retailers, or even donate to charity. Pick what suits you best. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your selection. You'll might need to enter a few details, like your bank info if you're choosing a deposit, but it's all secure and user-friendly. One quick tip. Always check for any minimum redemption amounts. It's often as low as $2.50. And keep an eye on expiration dates to make sure you don't lose out. Most Discover rewards don't expire, but it's good to double-check. And there you have it. You're now all set to redeem your cashback and enjoy the perks. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.